afternoon, my dear students. I hope you all are doing well at home. And today we are going to start our chapter number 1, linear functions and graphs. Everybody, please prepare your notebooks and prepare exercise 1B. So let's begin. And I'm going to share my screen with you. So let's begin our lesson now. So here we are going to begin. It's 24 April, classwork Friday. You all have to prepare your notebooks. Everybody, the screen is visible to you. I hope Arshaman, Daniel, Musa, Josefa, everybody, Abdullah, please be attentive and prepare your notebooks. Okay, so we are going to start now. This is your question. As you can see on your book, page number 27, we have this question on the book. Clear? What we have to do, is there any line on it? No, there is no line. In quadrant 1, there is no line. Quadrant 2, there is no line. Quadrant 3, there is no line. Quadrant 4, there is no line, right? So what we have to do, we have to just write the quadrant. So gradient of line 1. So this is actually line 1, right? So line 1 is intersecting on the point 0 because there is no point identified. So you just need to write gradient of line 1 is equal to 0 and gradient of line 2 is undefined. Clear? Because this is a line on the graph. So here you go. This is your answer. You have to write it on your neat copy. Clear? Moving on. Now, it's a next question. Book page number 27. We have next question. Chapter number 1, linear functions and graphs. So here we are just moving on. Linear functions and graphs. On a sheet of graph paper, you just need to do the same as we have done last time in our class as well. So this is the first value and this is a range. It means the value of x is here. -4, 0 and 4 because it's given in the question. Clear? Now this is the first question. Y is equal -4x plus 8. Clear? And what is the value of x, Daniel? What is the value of x? -4. Well done. Yes, Musa Coker. What is the value of x? -4. Well done. Then plus 8. So 4 fours are these both values are going to multiply with each other. 4 fours are 16. Well done. And minus is going to be plus. Clear? And plus 8. So 18 plus 8 is going to be 24. So that's why we put here 24. Clear? So this is how you have to do these all questions on the copy. You have already done it in your work. Clear? Now moving on. Next question. Question number 8. The graph you have to plot. This is the value of x, this is the value of y. So -4 and 24. So -4 is on x-axis and 24 is on y-axis. Clear? So x-axis -4 and 24 is on y-axis. So here you go. Here you will be marking the point. Clear? Because here we have 24 and here we have x. Clear? So here will be the point. This is the first point according to this value. Now we are moving on next one. So value of x is 0 and the value of y is 8. So 0 and 8. So this is the second point. 0 and 8. Clear? Now the third point. Value of 4 is x. X is the value. Like 4 is the value of x and -8 is the value of y. So yes, here is the point. So you have to write here 4 minus 8. And you already knew it. We have done so many times in the class. If you have any query, you can feel free to ask in the comment box. Clear? Question number 1B. 1B is actually the same question we had done earlier. So this is line graph. Okay? You just need to write the values of line. M is actually y square minus y1 and x square minus x1. This is the value of m, and m is actually what? M is actually gradient. Yes. Well done. Yes, Musa. Yes, Subhan. Are you here? Subhan beta, you are doing very nice work. Well done. So you just need to write these slopes and this is the answer of this given question. Clear? Moving on. Question number 9, page number 27. Here we have to draw minus 3 to 3 x-axis. So here I just put minus 3 to 3. This is the x-axis. Now you just need to put the values in this equation. So y is equal 6 minus 3x. Really? Yes. And what is the value of x here? Minus 3. Well done, Daniel. So 6 minus 3. X, the value of x is 3. So 3 3s are actually 9. Well done. So plus 9, right? So 9 plus 6 is 15. So this is how you have to fill this whole table. Clear? So 15 is the value. Same like it, the next value as well, we had done in class. We are repeating it as well. Now moving on, book page 27, question number 9, part B. So here we are having part A is done. Now part B, you just need to draw these points. So the point number 1 is A0, point number 2 is minus 2B, point number 3 is C, 1.5. So where is 1.5? This is 1 and this is 2. And in between this is point 1.5. Clear? This is a point where we meet 1.5. This is a 1.5 point. Now minus 2. Where is minus 2, beta? This is minus 2, right? This is minus 2, okay? And where is the next point? We just need to connect it with the points. So here we are going to connect it with them. Clear? If you have any query, you can feel free to comment below. Here we have question number 1. We are done with the graph. Now question number 2. In question number 2, we have to write A, B, and C, the value of A, B, and C. So here, first value, A is actually the value of X and B is 0 here, according to this question. So we just put here Y is equal 0 and the value of A. So AX is equals 2. Clear? Is this clear, everybody? Yes. So now we got the value minus 2 is the value of X. According to this, we put here minus 2. This is actually the answer of the question. Okay, this is the answer. So minus 2 is actually X and Y is equals 12. Clear? Now the third value, Y. C is a constant which we suppose that it's X and Y is actually 1.5. So it lies on the graph. According to the graph, we have solved it. Next question. On a sheet of graph paper, you just need to make it. So here we have minus 2 and 2. This is the value, minus 2. This is 0. This is done 2. Yes, Subhan, is it done? Is it clear? Arshuman beta, is this clear? Yes. How we have to solve it? In the question, the value is y is equals 2x plus 4. Really? Yes. So what is the value of x here? Minus 2. Well done. So minus 2 plus 4. So 2 2s are actually 4. And what is the plus sign? Minus, plus 4, right? So plus minus minus, it is going to be cut. So the 0 will be the answer because 4 minus 4 is 0. Same like it, you have to fill this whole table. Subhan, you already know it. Daniel, you already knew it. Josefa, everybody, you are doing great job. Moving on, linear functions and graph. Question number 10 and a very, very, very easy question. Y is equal to x plus 4 and y is equal to minus 3x. So that's why we have two lines here because we have two different values of y. Clear? So what is the value of x here? Minus 2 because it's given in the question. So minus 2. So this is the first value. Y is equal to x plus 4. Clear? What is the value of x? Minus 2. So minus 2 plus 4. 2 to the 4. So minus 4 plus 4. This is going to be 0. Yes, well done. Same like it, you have to put the values inside it and plot the graphs. Clear? So plot the graph. The graph is 2 and 4. Here we have. Here you are good to go. These are the points you have to plot according to this table. Clear? Yes, Sir Shuman, you have a question? Do ask. Perfect, perfect. Yes, you are doing correctly. Okay, line number 1, 2, 3, we just need to figure the line segment, okay? So where is the line segment? Here is the answer. You just need to draw it like this. This is the line segment, this is the line segment. You just need to connect it like this. Clear? So here is the answer and this is the question given on your book page. Number 28. Just draw a line neat and clean on your copy. Question number 2, as given in the question, find the equation 1, 3, and 5. So in gradient 1, the points are 2 and 2, right? In gradient 1, we have points 2 and 2, and that is going to be minus 1. according to the value, according to the question, we have next point 0, and in line 3 we have 1.1, and in fourth line we have minus 5. Yes, minus 5 and 2. Well done, Subhan. You are doing so well job. Perfect. So in point number 2, the second part of this part here, y-intercept of line 1 is minus 2. Yes, it is minus 2, as you can see here. This is line 1 is actually minus 2. According to this graph, you have to fill it, and this is actually the answer of this question. Clear? If you'll have any query, you can feel free to ask and complete your work as well. In question number 12, in a figure, line 1 is parallel to the x-axis and line 3 is parallel to the y-axis. Line 2 is parallel to line 5 and line 5. Parallel means both are parallel to each other like this, parallel. These are parallel lines, okay? This is known as parallel line. So here, as they are saying, line 1 is parallel to line number 3, okay? Then we have line 2 is parallel to line 5. So yeah, line 5 and line 2 is parallel. Line 6 and line 4, line 5 and 4 is parallel to line 6. Yes. So line 5 and line 4 are parallel to line number 6. So here is a complete figure. How we have to solve it? Here is the solution. How we have to solve it? We just need to find out the gradient of line 1. So what is the gradient of line 1? It's 0, right? It's because it is lying on the point 0. Gradient of line 2 is equal gradient of line 5. Yes. So gradient of line 2 and gradient of line 5, because these both are parallel to each other. Parallel means both are in front of each other in the same direction. This is known as parallel. So yes, we got minus 3 because 5 minus 2 is minus 3. Clear? Gradient of line 4 and gradient of line 6. I will be sharing this complete notes PDF with you so you can do the work. Clear? Alhamdulillah, we are done with 1B. Only few questions were there, and that's why we are done with it. Now, today you have to create your new page and create your new index as well. An online retailer charges, yes Subhan, can you please read it louder? All right, okay. An online retailer charges a basic service fee of $3. Okay, there is a man who is selling the products online for charging the fee $3. And now there is a first question. A fee of $2 per kg is charged for the delivery of packages. Find the amount a customer will have to pay. We just need to find out the amount. So this is the first question. So here we go. The first question, $3 plus the amount plus multiply by $2. Clear? Because per package he used to charge $2. So we are going to plus and multiply it according to the DMAS rule. DMAS means first we have to divide, multiply, add and subtract. So here we have to multiply first 0.5 into 2 and then plus 3. Clear? So it is going to be, yes, 0.5 into 2 in how much? Yes, Daniel? Perfect. It's 1. So 1 plus 3 is 4. So this is the answer of question number 1. Clear? This is answer of question number 1. Now, question number 2 is 4 kg. Yes, Arshuman, can you do it? Amazing. Amount payable is the package. Weights 4 kg and $3 for, and because the price of that product is 4, like the weight is 4 kg and then $2. So $11 will be your answer. Yes. And in the third question, 9 kg. It's on your book, page number 36. Amount payable if the package weight is 9 kg, $3 plus 9 into $2. Perfect. So $21 will be your answer. Amazing. Now, page number 36, question number 2. So here, question number 2, how we are going to solve it. This table is given. What you need to do, you just need to put the value in the equation. Okay, so what is the equation? Yes, so you just need to put it like this. This is the first value, $4. You just need to put $4 here. Then $11, which we have just solved, and then $21. So here you go. This is your final answer. Clear? 4, 11 and 21. Here you have to write 4, 11 and 21. This is your final answer. Clear? Perfect. Now we are moving on the next question. Question number 3. On a sheet of graph paper using a scale of 2 centimeters to represent 1 kg on a horizontal axis and 1 centimeter to represent $1 on the vertical axis, plot the pairs of values. How we have to plot it? See, whatever the values you just find out, you just need to plot here. So first value was 0.5 and 4, right? 0.5 was for x-axis and 4 for y-axis. Next value is 4 and 11. So 4 and 11. 4 is the x-axis and 11 is the y-axis. And here we have 9 and 21. So 9 is x-axis and y is a y. Okay? Y is the 21. So here we have done it. Moving on, page number 36, part 4. So here we have part 4. Write down the equation of line statement. Yes, as I already told you, line of straight lines like y2 minus y1, y2 minus y1, x2 minus x1. So this is how you have to do it. 11 minus 4 is, yeah, perfect. So y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. If you have any query, you can feel free to ask Vita. Yes. Perfect. Perfect, Josefa. Perfect. You are doing very well. Yes. Okay. 7.5 kg. Musa, are you doing it? Amazing. Mind blowing. 7.5 kg. What you have to do, you just need to put the value according to the substitute, like x is equal to 7.5 and y is equal to this value, the given value, right? So 2x plus 3. You just need to put the value of x inside this value. So how we are going to put it? How we are going to put it? Well done. Y is equal to x plus 3 and we just need to put the value of x. So what is the value of x? It's 7.5. Well done, because in question it is given 7.5 plus 3. So here we go. When we'll multiply it, we are going to get this value 18. So this is your answer. Now the same value, next value, you have to put the value of x in this value and you will be getting 40. Clear? We are moving on. Question number 2. You can pause the video and you can do the complete work on your neat copy. And I have shared this file in your WhatsApp group as well. Okay, the graph shown the distance d kilometers traveled for every p liter of petrol used. So how many of the petrol used? Here we have distance traveled and here we have petrol used for liters. So what we have to do, the first question is 2 liter petrol. We have to find how far the car traveled. So here, this is the answer. Answer is here, distance car travel if it has 2 liter of petrol. So 14 kilometers the car will travel. Yes. Yes, Musa, is it clear? Yes. 2 liter of petrol will travel 15 kilometers of the distance. Clear? 15 kilometers of the distance. Yes. So here we go. Next we have 5.2 liter of petrol, 39 kilometer. We just need to multiply these both and we are good to go. $5.60 is your answer. Amazing. Now, second last question, exercise 1C. To attract customer, a shop launches a simple loyalty program that awards a customer which points each time he makes a purchase. Under this program, every point is awarded for every dollar spent. And the points can be used, yeah. So this is the whole question on your book page 36 and here we are going to solve it. According to the question values, you just need to plot the values. So 10 and 0.20, the first value. This is the value of x, this is the value of y. Here we have next value. So next value is 40 and 0.80. Perfect. So this is how you have to solve rise and up. Rise means 1.3 rise, yeah, and run is 65. Perfect, perfect. So here the maximum rise is 65 and here we have how much? This is the point. 1.30 is the point. So this point we just wrote here. Clear? And this is the value, y-intercept. According to that, as you can see in question number 3, this is question number 3. So here we go. A customer redeemed 210 points for each purchase of $8.90. Calculate the amount he pays in cash. So yes, whatever the amount he pays in cash, you have to calculate it, distance, and you have to multiply the value to 10, whatever he paid. So 4.2 you will be getting. And after adding these both values, you will be getting $4.73. Clear? Amazing. Now, the third question. The graph is here. You just need to make it on the neat copy. Number of points and number of price reduction. You just need to connect these 3 points according to these ones. Clear? Perfect. Now, here we have page number 36. The graph is given on the book page 36. Page 36, and we are having, there is a fixed overhead cost of 550. What you need to do, you just need to put the value of n and you will be getting the value of c. Yes, what is the value of n? 10, 30 and 50. It's given in the book, and you just need to put the value in the formula and you will be getting this answer. Yes, 10 into 10, 100. Perfect. Now, 1C, question number 2, 3, and 4. These are the 3 questions. We have to solve it very easily. Question number 2, David noticed the cost per t-shirt decreases when more t-shirts are printed and is puzzled by the observation from the graph. Yes. So there is a fixed value. How much fixed value is $50? So here you go. This is the answer. Clear? This is the answer, and here we have the questions. So find the cost of printing 68 t-shirts. You just need to multiply the cost with 68, so you will be getting $390. In $390, you will be getting these values. 68 multiplied by 50. Yes, 68 multiplied by 50, you will be getting $390. Amazing. Now, $410 is given in the question here. You just need to deduct the price and you have to charity, so 72 will be the answer. Page number 37, 2 mobile phone companies A and B. So this is mobile phone company 1 and 2. This is a question given in the book, page number 37. So first question is, how does a company A charges 20 minutes of time? How they will be charging? They just need to 10 minutes of the time, 20 minutes of the time. So it is given on the graph. See, 10 minutes of the time, how much they are charging? According to this graph, you just need to fill it. And these will be the answers. Here you go. Yeah. Question number 4 and 5. Which company has a greater rate of increase in charges? Explain your answer. So here we have the solution. MA means the gradient of A is 4 by 50 because 50 it was given on the previous question. And here we will be having fifth part. If you will be facing any query, you can feel free to comment in the comment section. Same like that, question number 6, part 2, A and B. So this is the value. You just need to put the values inside. X is given 5, 10, 20, and we have just put the values and fill the box. Here you go. This is your complete diary. Everybody, please do write your diary. Complete your copy work and practice questions. Mathematics test, chapter number 1, will take on Monday, 27th April 2026. Exercise 1A, book page 11 to 13. 1B, book page 25 to 28. And 1C, book page 36 to 39. These 3 to 4 pages test will be taken on Monday. Wish you good luck, everyone. And I hope you enjoyed the lesson and you will be participating in the lesson as well. If you'll face any query, you can feel free to ask even in the class and even in the comment section. So I hope you will be completing your work and you will be prepare yourself for the test on Monday, and don't take leave from the school on Monday. Wish you good luck, beta. Allah Hafiz.